How to add videos from Gallery to Files app on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Go to the bottom left corner and tap on Library. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Open any photo you want. Then, go to the bottom left corner and tap on the Share icon. You can view all the sharing options available over here. Scroll down and tap on Save to Files. Go to the folder when you want to save the file and then tap on Save. Now, go back and open up the Files app. Go to the folder where you just saved the file. You can now open and view the file from here. Following these steps, you can easily add videos from Gallery to Files app on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.